Hey, it's Sarah with Egg Printers, and we're here to share 4 of our favorite recipes from our family to yours. Let's get started.
All right, Chelsea, it's good to see you don't have anything against canned goods. What do you got going on here?
Everybody makes fun of me for this canned soup, but I tell you what, you got 4 kids, you don't have time to do all this stuff. So
Right?
this is quick, easy, on the stove in minimal time. So it's a chicken tortilla soup is what we're gonna do, all right? So it's super easy. Like I said, cans. Clearly, there's chicken, right? So we buy just the chunk chicken, but we like to shred it up inside there. So we'll go with that while we get started. Everything just dumps in. Super easy. Good.
It already looks good, Chelsea.
Just some chicken.
Now, I will say I'm counting close to somewhere in the vicinity of 10 cans.
I told you we're doubling stuff up.
Yeah, there's a lot of cans.
All right, so some chicken
Diesel.
broth. Literally, we're just dumping stuff in. So you can even help out.
Oh, we can all help?
Yeah, dump
Okay.
some cans in. So this is cream of chicken soup.
Look at that.
Oh,
Just the... Is it in my hair? That'd be...
maybe be a little more careful as
Maybe
you're
my
doing
technique could use some work, sorry.
I mean, I think you got some in the
I mean, that's
corn,
a
but that's
long-
okay because it's gonna go in.
That's a long way to drop.
It's gonna go in.
It's a large pot. I mean...
Maybe I needed a bigger pot to keep it all in there.
It was probably... Don't beat yourself up. It's not totally your fault.
I think it was yours. Just to be real honest,
Well,
it's
agree
on
to
you.
disagree. Okay, is that better?
There we go.
Okay, there we
All
go.
right, we've drained the black beans, so just a couple cans of black beans in. All right, Andy, what'd you put in there?
This is green chili enchilada sauce.
Okay, perfect. We'll use a fork to get the rest of that chicken out. We don't want to leave the protein out, right? We'll add some color with the petite diced tomatoes.
Okay. I'm gonna
And
do
you
some
like,
more.
let's be, I'm gonna stand back.
No, I've
You
got it down. I've got it. Lesson
Solid.
learned.
All right, and then our corn. So you can do frozen corn too, just for simplicity. That would cut down on your cans, though, if you do frozen.
Oh, true, yeah.
Then you'd have like a bag.
Yeah.
You could even do it out of your garden if you know.
I feel like you should stick with cans. In this case.
And then taco seasoning. So any kind of taco
Oh,
seasoning
okay.
you can go with. We'll just,
That's interesting, Chelsea.
it's a chicken tortilla taco-y soup. That's what I said. All right, so literally, that's it. We are done. We're gonna stick it on
don't-
the stove.
Oh, you do heat it.
We're gonna heat it up.
Okay.
And I don't have a set time for that. So we stick it on the stove, just get everything nice and warm, and it's good to go.
Oh wow, that looks really good, Chelsea.
Hey, you bet. So you can eat it just as it is, or cheese makes everything better. So my kids like to sprinkle it with a little bit of cheese. All right, then we crumble up a little tortilla chips, because it is chicken tortilla soup. And then my husband for sure likes a little bit of sour cream in there.
A dollop.
Mix it in,
That's good.
enjoy.